For dinner I had some cavatelli with a tomato sauce and some ricotta. This pasta is one of the most versatile pastas in my opinion. And to start off with the pasta dough, I grabbed 4 eggs, cracked them in a bowl, and then mix it with a fork to combine everything. You can do this in the flour well. I kept getting distracted by my cat. But anyways, you can do this in the flour well, like the hole in the flour, or in a bowl. So I prefer the bowl. Then you get 2 cups of flour. Typically it's 1 cup of flour per 2 eggs. It's an easy ratio to remember. And then pour your eggs into your flour. And now you're going to want to gently combine this. Stir in your flour until you get a thicker paste where it's not going to spill everywhere. And then go ahead and start working it together. Once you get a shaggy ball, start kneading it until it's smooth. And then wrap it up and let it take a nap for like 30 minutes to let the flour hydrate. While that's napping, let's start on that pomodoro sauce or tomato sauce. I like to do onions and garlic. I like my garlic cut in thin slices, but you can crush it or microplane it in, no worries. And then over a medium heat, just toss those in and let those sweat and soften for a bit. Then toss in your tomatoes. I really don't care what kind of tomatoes you use, just use what you like. Season it with some salt and a bunch of fresh basil. If you're cooking the basil off inside the sauce, you can add a lot more. It won't be as pungent. She really wanted to see what was going on up here. She's super curious. So now while that sauce is cooking, we can roll out our pasta. Toss it on a floured surface and cut it into manageable pieces. Roll it out. You want it kind of like a finger thickness or smaller. Then toss them in a cavatelli machine. These things are like 20 or 30 bucks. It's probably the coolest pasta machine there is. Make sure they're floured so they don't stick together. Grab some water, season it with some salt, and taste your water so it's not over-salted or under-salted. Then toss your pasta in. Fresh pasta cooks a lot quicker than dry pasta, so this only takes a couple of minutes until it's finished. But keep an eye on it and taste it for tenderness as you go along. Then I like to take it straight out of the water into the sauce. And don't be shy about getting some of that starchy liquid in there. It'll help everything bind together and stick to each other. So basically you're going to finish cooking the pasta in the sauce so it combines well. And then for the topping we're going to spice up some ricotta with some parm, crushed peppers, sherry vin, honey, a bunch of parsley and basil, salt, and mix that together. Then all you have to do is plate it all together. Putting your pasta down first, and a nice dollop of that ricotta, I don't know how to say that. Finish it with some parm and some basil, and then I like to finish it with like a nice pungent olive oil, but do you. The pomodoro is really fresh, clean, and delicate, and then the ricotta is kind of punchy and nice. It's a good mixture. And the cavatelli has like these ridges that capture a ton of that sauce and feels pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoy as much as I did. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.